Start on the VPN provider side. Go to surfshark.com using the link in the description and log in. In the menu on the left, click on VPN, then Manual Setup, and then Router. On the right side, choose WireGuard. If there is no existing key pair, select I don't have a key pair. Name the key pair based on the desired server location. Click Next, then generate a new key pair. After the key pair is generated, select the server location. Click Choose Location, then scroll to France and select the Paris server. Download the configuration file. This file contains the private key, public key, DNS, and all server information needed by the router. Save the file in the Downloads folder. The VPN provider setup is now complete. Next, open the TP-Link router administration page. In a web browser, enter 192.168.0.1. If this does not work, try 192.168.1.1. Enter the router password to log in. Click on Advanced, then scroll to VPN Client in the menu. Enable the VPN client by checking the Enable box. Add a VPN server. Click Add. Select WireGuard if it is not already selected. Enter a description, such as France Paris. Upload the configuration file downloaded from Surfshark. Click Browse, select the file from Downloads, and open it. Click Save. The VPN connection now appears in the server list. Assign devices to the VPN connection. Click Add in the device list. Select the devices that should use the VPN. Click OK, then Save. Enable the VPN connection by turning on the switch next to the WireGuard connection. The router will connect to the selected server and the chosen devices will route through the VPN. To remove a device from the VPN, disable it in the router device list and refresh the page. The device will then show the original IP address and connect directly to the internet. This setup allows routing some devices through Surfshark while others remain on the normal internet connection. Use the link in the description to go to Surfshark and try it for a great price.